translucency, transparency, translucent, things like you could see through, like glass, reflective plates, mirrors, or spoons. Spoons have multiple reflections, and I find that to be an intriguing phenomenon. You have to begin to draw things that are augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
Is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
40 hertz. We say A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That consists